Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 2 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 7, or we know an exponential formula a to the power m minus n is equal to a to the power m over a to the power n. Now apply this formula here, we will get 2 to the power x over 2 square is equal to 7, or 2 to the power x over 2 square is 4 is equal to 7, or now multiplying both sides by 4 we can write here 2 to the power x over 4 times 4 is equal to 7 times 4, or now this 4 cancel out this 4, so here we will get 2 to the power x is equal to 7 times 4 is 28, or now taking log on both sides we can write here log of 2 to the power x is equal to log of 28, or now we know an logarithm formula log of a power b is equal to b times log of a. This b move here, so apply this formula we can write here x times log of 2 is equal to log of 28, or we need the value of x, so divided both sides by log of 2 we can write here x times log of 2 over log of 2 is equal to log of 28 over log of 2, or now this log of 2 cancel out this log of 2, so here we will get x is equal to log of 28 can be written as 4 times 7 over log of 2, or x is equal to, again we know an logarithm formula log of a times b is equal to log of a plus log of b. So apply this formula here, we can write log of 4 plus log of 7 all over log of 2, or x is equal to, now we can write here log of 4 over log of 2 plus log of 7 over log of 2, or x is equal to log of 4 can be written as 2 square over log of 2 plus, here we can apply logarithm formula, we will get log of 7 base 2, or x is equal to, this 2 move here, so we will get 2 times log of 2 over log of 2 plus log of 7 base 2. Now this log of 2 cancel out this log of 2, so finally we will get the value of x is equal to 2 plus log of 7 base 2, and it is our final answer. Now check our questions is 2 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 7, 2 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 7, or here x is equal to 2 plus log of 7 base 2, so we can write here 2 to the power 2 plus log of 7 base 2 minus 2 is it equal to 7, or 2 to the power this 2 consider this 2, so here we will get log of 7 base 2 is it equal to 7. Now we know an logarithm formula: a to the power log of b base a is equal to b. So apply this rule here, we will get 7 is equal to 7. So we can write left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then it is true for the value of x is equal to 2 plus log of 7 base 2. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.